Hello viewers, a lot of users actually asking me about iPad 10th generation, whether they should buy this iPad in this Republic Day sale in Flipkart.com. Actually, there is a great offer currently running on Flipkart.com where you can buy iPad 10th generation at 26,999 rupees using credit card, and you will get 3,000 rupees cashback. So this is really a great opportunity for those users who want to buy iPad, because the price of this iPad 10th generation will go up after this Republic sale. iPad 10th generation has some very good features. One of the best features is the display. Though the display is non-laminated, yet you will feel that the display is bright and vibrant, and you will enjoy your multimedia consumption on this iPad. Another good thing about iPad 10th generation is the battery. You will get great battery life along with this iPad 10th generation. You have to do some customization, and after that you will get around 8 hours plus screen on time on a single charge. Currently this device is running on iPad OS 18.2.1 and I am getting very good battery life, so you will have no worry about the battery life. As iPad 10th generation has pen support, it is a very good tablet for students who want to take note on their tablet or iPad, and you have to use ipencil, or you can buy a third-party ipencil. I have been using this Kingone ipencil and I am getting a very good experience, and also the note-taking experience on iPad 10th generation is very good. This ipencil actually supports scribble feature, and whatever you will write on the screen, it will automatically transform into text. So this is a very good feature, but you should know how to use this. Only then you can make proper use of scribble feature on your iPad 10th generation at the time of writing anything. Currently this iPad 10th generation is running on iPad OS 18.2.1 and there are many customization options in this iPad 10th generation, and you will also receive regular updates on iPad 10th generation. So this is a very good thing that you will receive regular updates, and with every update you will get newer things on your iPad. So if you are someone who likes to customize, in that case you will definitely like iPad 10th generation. But many users think that 64 GB is not enough in iPad 10th generation. I also think so, but you can adjust by deleting things after regular intervals, so it will not be a problem for you if you use the storage properly. So finally, in the conclusion, should you buy iPad 10th generation right now, or you should wait for another sale? The answer is yes, you should definitely buy this iPad 10th generation in this Republic sale from Flipkart or from Amazon.in, and if you buy from Flipkart, you will get this device at 26,999 rupees, and this is a great pricing for this iPad 10th generation. So let me know in the comment sections below if you have already bought this iPad 10th generation or not, or if you are planning to buy it. Feel free to ask me if you have any questions in your mind. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.